Esse lugar. Muka de cão.
Botei opa mucuca.
Muka de cão, mano.
Opa mucuca.
Tá bom, muka de cão, né?
Botei
Pero aru apa mah? Mana macam mana?
When they come here na river,
I tell you.
sabi swim o.
I tell you.
He pass he mama go buy something, he pass from there enter the big one.
That's the problem. In Brunei, our culture. My brother is the money in the book. I want to ask you one thing. You need to be the Ghana. You in fact, Ghana, you get 20 billion. Now, get it here. I'm about to sell you.
Oh sure.
Applause, everyone. Okay. So now we have Jessica to have their message to each and every one of us before we proceed to the very exciting part of this program. Okay.
Annyeong. Hello. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who was able to attend. Alam ko na malayo. First off, I want to thank God for making today possible, for keeping my life and the 18 years of my life. A lot has happened to me in 18 years, but I'm still standing here and I'm able to give thanks. Secondly, I want to say thank you to my parents for everything, for making today possible. Alam ko, gastos ko talaga. But they were able to provide for me even when it was stressful for them. Next, I want to say thank you to my siblings. Kahit wala naman ginawa nila sa akin. But,
Speak Tagalog.
they were supportive. And everything, they helped me a lot in my life. So I just want to say thank you. Thirdly, I want to say thank you to my friends. To my friends from grade 5, sila Ezekiel, and I just want to say I'm thankful for our years from grade 5 until now. We're still close and we're still friends, and you guys are really supportive. You guys give me advice, and I just want to say thank you so much. And to my grade 10 friend, Yishin, thank you so much for coming. Even though may pasok ka today, I just want to say thank you for making the time for me today. Okay, skip it. Grade 11 and 12. To my closest friend, Yani, to my best friend, Yani, to my Hughes, wag na. Recently, and we had a lot of trials during grade 11 and 12, and it was hard for us, but we were able to overcome it. And to my best friend, Yani, there's a lot of things that's happened to us, and we're still very close, and I just want to say thank you for everything, for listening to my rants, for listening to my anger, my happiness, and every moment of my life. To my other friends from grade 11 and 12, from Brans, Lian, si Johan, si Jared, si Vicky, si Kurt.
Ayun, shoutout ko na sa labas.
Hoy, pumasok kayo! I just want to say thank you for being here. Kahit di kami super close. To my other friends na si Grislin, si Krastin, si Sheen, si Jander. I just want to say thank you for letting me know you guys and be part of your lives. And I hope we have more celebrations together. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who was able to be here. And I just want to say you guys made my day very memorable. And lastly, to our host, thank you so much for organizing this party to be very enjoyable for everybody, and including me. I just want to say thank you. Good lang.
Okay, so a lot of words to describe the mood today, but just know that I'm grateful for your life. You're all grateful for your life. We hope that you can continue celebrating more birthdays, and we will all continue to celebrate together with you.
On the spot lang talaga. So I just want to say happy birthday. I don't really express it much, but to me, you're probably my favorite person in the world. I feel like you're the only person that I truly open up all my problems to. So I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me since I was born. You may have been without me, but I've always known you and I've known you for 15 years. So I want to say thank you for just everything. And I might be a bit annoying. I might be a bit hot-headed sometimes. But I'm sorry for those times naman. And yeah, I just want to say, since you're stepping into your adulthood, I hope that God will be with you through every step, and I hope you will not go far away from Him, and I just hope that only good will come in your life, and yeah, I hope that we'll stay close and grow closer in the future. Thank you.
So happy birthday, Jessica. Wishing you all the best, good health and happiness. Hope you have an amazing day and I hope you enjoy your celebration. Thank you for inviting us. Take care and God bless you.
Jessica, and wish you the best. I hope you achieve your goals in the future.
Okay, next. Happy birthday, Jessica! Thank you, Jessica, for inviting me. You're such a wonderful person. And just remember that everyone here loves you and thinks that you're an important person. Be happy.
Happy 18th birthday,
God guide your steps and be thankful for Him for always doing good for you. That's it.
Happy 18th birthday, Jessica. I know hindi tayo yung like super close nung senior high, pero I still wish you the best sa bagong chapter sa buhay mo. I hope magpatuloy ka mag-persevere sa like sa mga hardships na kakaharapin mo in the future. And yun lang. I wish you the best.
Happy birthday, Jessica. Alam kong hindi tayo naging close since grade 5 up until grade 10 kahit na marami tayong grudges sa isa't isa. Pero I was thankful na na-invite ako sa birthday na to, and thankful din po kay Tita Meg na I was also looking forward to African food nga. Yun lang, happy birthday. I wish you the best.
Okay, take a picture! Gusto naman sumayaw sila?
Okay, happy 18th birthday, Jessica. You're getting old na, so... Anyway, my wish for you on your special day is that I hope you keep on being yourself, because that's what makes you you. And throughout our friendship, I'm very thankful to have met you in this lifetime, and I hope in every lifetime that we have, you will always be the one that I will always call my best friend.
Thank you. Take a
Wishing you the happiest birthday as you celebrate this special milestones in your life. I hope your day is filled with love, laughter, and all the happiness you truly deserve. Thank you for everything you've done for me. I'm really grateful to have someone like you in my life, and you're special din.
Thank you.
Wait lang, nagalit na lang. Happy birthday, babe. Alam ko madaming nangyari sa atin for the past years. Madaming unexpected events and chaos na nangyari sa atin, sa buong friendship natin. Pero gusto ko lang malaman mo na chine-cherish ko yung lahat, and I really wish na maganda yung mga dadating sa'yo na blessings. Yun lang, I love you. Jessica, I wish you a life filled with love, happiness, and all success you dream of.
My baby.
Okay, thank you. Take a picture.
You achieve every goal you had. Take a picture.
To the girl who always owns the room with her confidence, I hope that you never lose your spark, no matter how hard adulthood gets. Happy to
celebrate you, your achievements, and your journey. You are one of the most passionate, thoughtful, and gorgeous people I know. Don't ever let anybody dim your light, and stay true to yourself. I love you, Jessica. Happy birthday.